Invincible Season 3 is about to hit on the Amazon Prime, and among the new characters, there is a brand new villain that Mark will stand against, Scott Duvall, the Powerplex, who is obsessed of killing Mark for his crimes. There is nothing much about his origin, but he had a sister, Jessica Duvall, who got killed in the horrific battle between Omni-Man and Invincible. Since then, Scott blamed not only Omni-Man, but also his son, Invincible. He has a wife, Becky, and their only son, Jack. So to kill Mark, Scott, who was a scientist of the US Pentagon, is stealing biotherm discs to gain kinetic energies, his main power to absorb energies from any kind of objects. But the Pentagon find out that the biotherm discs being stolen. It makes him nervous. Scott fears that the Pentagon may catch him and send him to jail before he take his revenge on the Invincible. So he goes to city, starting chaos. But instead of Invincible, the Guardians of the Globe show up, but they aren't powerful enough to take down Powerplex. He then returns home, but he becomes fed up of finding Invincible, and then he gets an idea to get Invincible to come after him. So he makes his own wife and son pose as hostages so that Invincible would save them. His plan works. Mark comes to rescue them. He tells Scott to let them go, but he refuses to listen to him and blames Mark for his sister's death, that he and Omni-Man killed her during their battle. Mark apologizes, but Powerplex doesn't listen. He engages in a fight. So in reply, Mark punches Scott, but he absorbs the kinetic energy of that punch and uses that on Mark. He drops near his wife and kid. He then attempts to rescue them, but the wife spits on his face. Mark gets confused as he is trying to save them, but in that time, Powerplex catches him off guard and begins to hurt him, and then he grabs his head and releases a large amount of energy through his body, but it overflows and it hits both his wife and son through the metal floor and burns them alive. He holds his dead family into his arms, but again, Scott blames Mark for their deaths. Mark tries to comfort him, but Scott believes Invincible made him kill his family. He throws another energy blast, but this time Mark learns how to take him down, so he holds him tight, wastes all of his energies. Powerplex is lost, but it only increased the hate rate for Invincible. He blames him for everything. Mark then brings him to the Stronghold Penitentiary, but Powerplex warns Mark that he will escape and end his life. So what are your thoughts about the tragedy of this villain, Powerplex? Please let me know on the comment section down below, and please like this video and do subscribe, as this will motivate me to make more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.